Hi there, this is also DCCTRAIN LLC model train store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today is my lucky day. Customer drive like hour and a half and brought to me to work to fix that Australian engine. It's unbelievable. See, it's in the back and that's the box. I'll rotate it and we can look at the manufacturer here. Right here. Very cool. And it's actually, this is the back and they put picture here. That's the top. A little bit issue we have, those guys don't bother put it in the manual to carefully remove dummy plug, means the plug to make it run on DC. It's not really clear how it looks like. There is another secure kind of plastic plug on top of it. That's confusing, and finally so I removed it and it was cool. Let's take a look close.
Oh, yeah. It's because the fans. Who's the manufacturer of the locomotive? We think it's EMD. No, what, the actual. What's made in China? China.
Oh, the motor. Oh, he's probably asking what's the motor, AMD or like an Australian manufacturer, or EMD exporting them to Australia. Okay. Oh, very cool.
My IC unit's up at 130. Yes. And he gave me his FEF, his old one.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy it. I'm just thrilled to touch it. Thanks for watching, supporting business. Have a good one. Bye.
Man,